Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Oh my God, did you just hear that beep? Anyway, I'm gonna try to pick back up on doing these little daily vlogs, keep the channel fresh. Got this helmet or this head strap camera holder here. I can't use my good phone on here. I have to use my old iPhone SE because it's way smaller and lighter. It's a little more comfortable, but the battery's so bad on it, it only records for 10 minutes. So how's everybody's Saturday going? Oh my God, do you hear that beep? I am changing the batteries in every smoke detector. I stand under every smoke detector and I can't hear which one it is, so I'm changing all of them. It's driving me fucking crazy. So we've got another battery here. Got a step stool already out because I've been changing some of them. So we're gonna go, now you see I definitely heard this one. So we're gonna change this one. Fucking battery just hit me in the face. Oh, I'm getting so aggravated. Hopefully this is the end of the beeping. So I'm getting ready to, can put this on the charger. I'm getting ready to go out to my ex's parents' house, who live about an hour and a half away. I've been helping them lately, do some things around the house. They've been helping me with some stuff. I'm just trying to get a couple things done here. I was supposed to go there yesterday, but things fell through. What is the weather like where you live? Leave a comment. Let me know what area you live in and what the weather is like. We finally last week started getting a touch of cooler weather. We saw some 60s at night, 70s in the day. Really nice, had some rain come through. Today is a warmer day. Today feels like it's about 85 outside. But it is cooling down at night, which is awesome. Except mosquitoes are still crazy active. What's the weather like by you? I can't wait for it to be cold. We don't get much cold weather down here in New Orleans. I just can't wait for it to be cold. I got a cool box in the mail. Early birthday present from my mom. My mom is the absolute best present person ever. We don't live by each other, so she likes to send stuff over to me. See if I can get a little more light in here. Oop. But this is absolutely perfect. Now, keep in mind, there were 2 big bags of this beef jerky. I crushed half of each bag. One bag's in my car. This bag's in the house. I just made a video about those beef sticks. And I was talking about how I can't afford beef jerky because it's so expensive. So what does my mom send me in this birthday gift box? Freaking 24 ounces of beef jerky. She's always been amazing with this. I guess that's like a mother's intuition or something. I don't know, you know? It's not like I see her very often. I'm a grown-ass man. And it's not like she would know everything I'm into, but apparently she does. It's really cool. Here's some other things in here. Jumbo jars of the best peanut butter on the market. No doubt I have to have at least one review in all these years about this about this peanut butter. But if you don't know, now you know. The Smucker's Natural is the way to go. I like it chunky. What I like to do, the oil's gonna settle at the top. Some people stir in the oil. I'm not about stirring the oil in. Maybe I can save some fat and I like to dump the oil out. Then I stir whatever little bit is left in there. That is how I get my peanut butter on. And then you guys know I love Arm & Hammer stuff. I think they have the best quality household and personal care items for the price. And look what Mom sent me, a 42-pack. I've reviewed these and not even that long ago. A 42-pack of the OxyClean 3-in-1s to get the laundry smelling right. Look here, good for sweat, musty towels, body odor. That sounds like a perfect description of Ryan. So that was really awesome. So I'm gonna get back. If you notice everything is messy in here, I've been helping my people. Basically, they have a whole bunch of stuff in their house, a lot of clutter. and I'm bringing their clutter to my house. But no, what I'm actually doing, because I have the spare room for stuff, I'm helping them get rid of this stuff, which is most important, but get a few dollars on it. And since I'm home a lot, I'm able to do Marketplace and Craigslist and have people come by. So if you're looking for a VCR, got one for sale. I'll throw in a Little Mermaid 2, Return to the Sea, VHS on the house right there, $15. I was surprised to learn that VCRs are now gaining value, where before, maybe 5-10 years ago, they were worth nothing. Now they don't sell them in stores anymore. The value is going up. So if you have a VCR that works, even if it's a cheap, super cheap brand like a Gold Star or something like that, you could still get 10, 15, 20 bucks for it. A better one that's got hi-fi, dubbing, tracking, you're talking about 50 bucks all day. So if you're into hustling and flipping things or digging in your attic or your basement or your closet and finding stuff to sell, if you have a VCR, put that daddy out there. So helping them with that, and that's it. I need to get back to it. Try to clean up around the house just a little bit more, and then old Ryan needs to roll out. So everybody, thanks for watching. This has been a vlog for what is today, Saturday, October 19th. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Wait a minute, I've got one item in transit. Will arrive in a day. I know what that is. That's going to be a selfie stick that I'm going to be reviewing. All right, I'm out of here. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. Bye-bye.